We didn't run her over. We got a nice spring coming out of the bank here.
Well, my chores are finally done. Am I taking a break? You better believe her. I'm gonna sit right here and watch JC's Outdoor Fever.
There's a log here. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a bed here, because usually trees and rocks, and you got some stream coming in, but you just never know. There must be a log out there. It's not a turtle head. Look at that bank of clay, and then you got your water that rides on top of that clay. The water rides on top of that clay all the way down the bank.
Right there.
Yep. Yep. Relaxing. You got all these waterfalls, and you got.
I think it's pretty right through there.
Oh yeah.
That hill.
Yeah. It is. Yeah. And all these rocks.
Babies up there.
Where?
Right up there.
Baby what?
Baby duckies swimming. You see them?
Oh yeah. I see them now. I was looking like baby what? Deer? I'm looking up in the trees.
Baby duckies swimming.
Baby duckies are swimming. Mama's in tow or ahead and leading the little duckies.
They're tiny.
Yep. Babies. Babies. Like this, maybe this past week's babies or something.
They're teeny, but the mama looks pretty small too.
There's some more ducks.
You see them though?
Yeah.
There's like, I don't know, 8, 10.
I don't know, they're gonna, oh, there's a smallie right there. Red eye is showing. The smallmouth have a really bright red eye on them. Rock bass as well, but that was, there you go. There's a bed right here going over.
Yep. Those duckies are so cute.
Yeah. So that might have been the smallmouth from that bed that we just went over.
Following the ducks.
Oh, here's another bed. Right next to this,
There's
oh,
one that just went by
yep.
me.
That's probably off from this bed right there. Wow. Look at the rocks. See any more pudding stones?
She probably got 8, 10 babies there.
Well, we're making them swim,
Here?
but we're not going too fast, so
No. Their exercise.
they're getting their exercise. They probably don't want to go out too far. One of those big smallmouths might eat.
On this stump.
I don't know. There's a bed. Look at that. That's a nice
Yeah,
clear.
That's a turtle.
He's been up there for a while. Look how dry.
He just popped in.
I didn't see it. I was looking up there.
Yeah, he's not there anymore.
Summer and I come down the bank, one of these spots here from the trail up there. Oh, I see something over here. It might be a partial pudding.
I hear water too.
Yes, I hear the waterfall.
Yep, that's pretty little waterfall.
All right, let me back this thing up.
You see it?
No. Nope, it's not a pudding stone. It's got some red on it, but maybe we'll get around the stump and there's a little sandy spot. I can let her out for a second.
That's a cute little waterfall.
Isn't this is gorgeous, isn't it? This is stuff that you see. Most people don't if they don't get this close.
Picture of it. Maybe I can take a little video of it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Summer and I have seen this when we walked. We got it on video, on a previous video.
What?
We got this little area here on a previous video because we walked all the way over there once. That was last year. I don't know if we can get up here some. All right, jump. Go explore. Dog is too close to my nest.
You can't go with Mama. Go see Daddy.
Look at it.
There it is.
It's doing his little thing, his little dance.
My wings broke.
No. I don't know what that was.
That was a killdeer too.
Oh, okay. Come on. Get in the boat.
Mama's gonna leave.
Look at the size of that smallmouth. That's got to be like a 4 or 5 pounder right there. That thing is huge.
There's a couple. Oh, that one's pretty over there, that waterfall.
Yep. Well, I see it. You gonna take a picture of it?
I'd like to. You go around me.
Yep. It is gorgeous. So yeah, that's a nice smallmouth bass there. My goodness. We gotta go around the stumps. Oh, look at the turtles. There's a big bed right here. There's another bed. Did you see the turtles? Well, somebody put a piece of glass up there. Where'd those turtles go? There was some turtles, weren't they? Yeah, there's all kinds of bass beds right in through here. They like the gravel. They need that gravelly spots there.
I was sitting, my toes falling asleep.
Uh-oh. You readjusted yourself?
Mama was way back there.
She'll catch up. There's a bass bed. Look at, see, that's where the bass beds. Mama had to take. Wow, that one bass was huge though. That could have been easily a good 4.5, if not 5. There's another bass bed. There's a bass taking off. Right there's another one. Wow. All right. Like another bed right there. There's a bracelet. Looks like. There's a pretty rock. Nice landscape rock.
Look at all that slime and lime or whatever that is on all the rocks.
Oh yeah. Scale. That clay just, it's horrible.
Even the bottom of the trees.
Yep. And then you got the zebra mussels on, yeah, caked on everything.
Found a tire.
Oh, there's a few of them. There's a few tires.
Fishy.
A little one?
It wasn't as big as the other one. There's one right there.
There's a bed right there. So that's a good reason to see one. I just can't believe how shallow they are.
She's like, she's gonna spear me.
There's one right there.
It was right on his bed too.
Yeah. I gotta go out around this. We're gonna hit probably. Oh, there's a bed.
There's a fish. You found a bed and I found a fish.
Yep. There's another bed.
Works.
There's another bed coming up on Sums.
Probably means the fish is coming. Yep, there goes the fish. There's another one.
Yep. Just smallmouth galore. There's the duckies. They're going out. They're out to your left.
Oh yeah.
They're out a little ways.
There's like a ton of them.
Yeah. something like that. I think Rosie's Run's up here. That's where I wanted to go to and then turn around. Like go up in and then come back. Cause
That's fine. Whatever.
I couldn't, I was getting close to it. But there was a spot up there on the bank that I couldn't get around the trees without getting super wet or... I'm like, there's turtles.
Turtles, Sons, turtles. There's turtles up there. Just like, wait. See, there's a turtle.
There's a bass bed.
There's still a turtle up there. He's still up there. See the turtle, Psalms? You see that turtle?
Get that turtle. There it went.
Come on, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Come on, do it. Do it.
Hey, thanks for watching and please hit the subscribe button.